Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Prescription Nurse, your daily dose to living well. I'm Shandra Eldridge, your nurse consultant, and I'm back with another beauty video. And today's video is a follow-up video to my Walmart haul. I'm going to be using all the products. There I go, I already lied. I'm not going to be using all the products, but I'm going to be using some of the products that I purchased during the Walmart haul. And if you watched the Walmart haul video, I did purchase a palette, this Sunkist palette here, and I got this eyeliner and these nails, which I've already put on, as you can see. And so I'm just going to be using these products in this video and sharing the content with you. So we're going to be putting on a little bit of makeup and creating a makeup look using this palette and this eyeliner. And that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing in this video. So if you want to see how everything turned out, then just keep watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Because on this channel, we stay lit, we learn, we invest, and we teach. We learn the tools and the resources that we need to stay healthy and be well and live our best life. And once we learn those tools and resources, guess what? We invest in those tools and resources, and then we teach others how to do the same. So we stay lit on this channel. So go ahead and subscribe, because if I'm your vibe, you feeling me, go ahead and subscribe. So in this video, guys, I'm just going to be using the products that I purchased in my Walmart haul. So it's basically going to be a quick video, probably more voiceover, and I'm just going to show you the products and just keep moving through the video and apply my makeup and everything. So like I said, it's just going to be brief, probably a voiceover, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get into it. So now I'm going to take my spoolie and I am just going to brush my brows in the direction that I want them to go in. So you're kind of just brushing them and getting them in the right direction where you want them to go. So that's what I'm doing. And once you do that, you're going to go in with your eyebrow pomade or pencil. And I'm using the Almay eyeliner pencil that I purchased from, it's not Almay, it's the L'Oreal Infallible long wear eyeliner that I purchased from Walmart. Now, I normally use the Almay, that's why I said that, because that's my holy grail everyday pencil that I use. But this one's a new one that I'm trying, and I actually got it in my Walmart haul. And so far so good. I really like it. It went on very smooth and the color is perfect. So I like using eyeliner because it's just easier for me to use. It's easy to apply. Sometimes that pomade, it's like you have to go over 3-4 times with it to get it to look the way you want it. But I like using eyeliner. So now I'm just brushing my brows and shaping them. So now what we're going to do is clean up these brows, and I'm going to be using my Too Faced concealer to clean them up. So now I'm going to take a brush and blend in the concealer. So now I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place eyeshadow base to prep my eyelids for the shadow. So now for the main attraction, it's the Sunkist palette I'm going to be using from Profusion. I purchased during my Walmart haul. This palette is so pretty. It has a lot of nice colors in it that you can use for the fall and the summer. So it's a good investment because you can use it year round. So let's see what kind of look I come up with. So now I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty eyeliner in black, and I'm going to do a wing liner look. So now we're going to get into the foundation. So I'm going to prime first with my Too Faced Plump and Primer. And we're going to prime, and then we're going to get into the foundation and go ahead and wrap this look up. So just continue to enjoy the video. I really like this foundation. It is by Too Faced and it's called Do You, and it's a hydrating foundation. And if you have dry skin, it's really, really good for dry skin. Although I do have oily skin, I really like using this because it keeps my skin moisturized, and it doesn't really make it too oily. So I like it, and it finishes very nicely, and it looks good on me. Yeah, I just want to say that I had to stop the video because this smells really, really good. It is Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation from Too Faced, and it is long wearing. It's dewy, has a dewy finish, so it's good for dry skin. It's hydrating and brightening. It smells just like watermelon. It is so smooth when it goes on, and it just smells so good. I just have to tell you guys that. So, and I really like how the foundation looks. This is my first time using this foundation, and and it's a Fresh Glow foundation. And I think this is great for the fall because, you know, in cooler weather, colder weather, our skin tends to be drier. So this is a great option for a fall foundation. And this is in the color Mahogany. Okay, so I'm gonna start the video back and let's keep this rolling. Okay, so now I'm just gonna speed the video back up. Let's just keep this rolling. So now I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer. And then we're going to blend everything out. So now we're going to contour with the Sephora contour stick in the color Ebony. Now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced setting powder, and I'm going to set the contour and my concealer under my eyes and on my chin. So whatever I'm highlighting and contouring, I'm going to set it with the setting powder. To make this look pop, I'm going to go in with a white liner to line my waterline. So now I'm going to be going in with my Juvia's Place blush palette, and I'm going to put on a little blush. So now I'm going to be going in with this gorgeous Too Faced highlighter palette, and I'm going to highlight with it. It's time to get bronzed. So now I'm adding the bronzer from Juvia's Place, and this stuff is amazing. Before we get into the finished look, I just wanted to show you guys the nails I purchased during my Walmart haul. And I think they came out pretty nice. They were very easy to apply. It came with the glue. I had to buy my own nail buffer, but I think they came out pretty good. So guys, this is the finished look. I am so excited. I love it. I feel like it's great for the fall. Look at the lids. I love the shadow color on the lids. And this is just a follow-up video from my Walmart haul. And these are the beautiful nails. These are the nails that I purchased. And as you can see, they were easy to apply. You just follow the instructions. They're press-on nails. You can take them off if you need to take them off. I'm a registered nurse, so sometimes it's hard for me. Well, really, we're not supposed to wear artificial nails, so if I need to take them off, I can just take them off. So that's why I like doing the press-ons. But these are the nails, and the palette, I really like the palette. I think I'm gonna use this palette for some more fall looks, so stay tuned for that. This palette I think was like $14, but I'll have the price down in the description box, but it's very affordable. From Walmart, and these nails were from Walmart, and the liner I used for my brows was from Walmart. So that is it for today's video. Like I said, it's just a quick follow-up. I use the products and I love shopping at Walmart for a bargain. Walmart is a great place to shop for beauty on a budget. If you're not trying to break the bank, they definitely have some reasonable items that are of good quality, so I suggest you check them out. Check out my other videos. If you haven't watched my Walmart haul, I'll link that video in the description box as well. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I'm going to start doing a little TikTok too, Prescriptionnurse. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, because if you are feeling me as a vibe, go ahead and subscribe, because you're not going to want to miss any videos, and hit that notification bell because it'll notify you when I upload new videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. And guys, guess what? Stay tuned to Prescriptionnurse. Now that's your daily dose.